Good morning, I'm Rutvik. I'm studying in 9th standard. I'm studying in Navajyoti High School, Utpulawur Mandal, Medchal district. My sub-theme is agriculture and my project name is harvested crop protection from unseasonal rains. So we have seen many farmers suffer from unseasonal rains by getting their crops damaged, and due to that they didn't get much revenue from that. So let us look at some examples here. So as you can see, these are some examples here. Here the farmers are trying to cover up the crops from the rain, and here the farmer is trying to pick up the wet crop from the water, but it won't be useful anyways. Here they are using buckets to throw the water away. Here, and the same thing happens here. The farmers failed to protect their crop, and because of this many farmers committed suicide. And to end the suffering of the farmers and the suicides, I have come up with a new innovative idea called the harvested crop protection system. Let us talk about the working model of this. The system contains a rain sensor. The sensor detects the rain and the signal is sent to the Arduino. The Arduino activates the motor. So the motor gets activated, right? Then the shed covers the whole crop, protecting it from the rain. Now, because of this, the rain doesn't enter the crop and it won't damage the crop. Now let us see how this works. I'm putting some water here. As you can see, it completely covers the crop, and now the crop is protected from the rainfall. Now let us talk about the advantages of this. First of all, it can protect the crop and it can preserve the quality of the crop, and it is very user friendly and it is very weather responsive. As you can see, the sensor immediately detected the water and the whole system got activated then. So what I want to say is, in this conclusion, the harvested crop protection system mainly focuses on the lives of the farmer and the revenue of the farmer. And with the technology of sensor based technology and a shed covering protective system, this whole system works. And if this is to be implemented in real life, I strongly recommend this technique to the farmers to protect their crops and revenue. So with this I end my topic. Thank you.